Hello. So today I'm at the Cogniteam labs, and what we want to do is to install our Nimbus client on our physical robot. As you recall, we've already created a virtual robot in the Nimbus system, and we've got this line that will install the Nimbus client on the physical robot. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the Kobuki platform. It is a well-known platform, and we've added a sensor kit on top of it. We have here the leader, we have here the webcam, here you can see the personal computer, and so on. Okay, we've connected a mouse, a keyboard, and a screen, and here it's a Linux system installed on the personal computer of the robot. Okay, so what I want to do is to discover the IP address that the robot is connected to the internet with it. So let's type ifconfig, and here we go. This is the IP address of the robot in our local network. So what we want to do next is to connect to the robot using an SSH session. So let's open one, and let's type the IP address. And connect. And now let's use the login. The name of the robot is Jetson-Xavier. Let's type the password. And we are here. We are logged in the system. Let's copy the installation line, and let's paste it here. Let's retype the password, and now let's let it install the Nimbus client. Okay, we are done. Let's type Nimbus. Okay, and it seems that everything is in order. We can see here that the robot is online. Okay, and let's also type Nimbus session. Oops, here, Nimbus session. And it seems that everything is in order. Okay, so as we can see, we have here our robot. We called it test1. We have an empty configuration. And if we'll click on the robot, we can see all sorts of data that we've collected from the Nimbus client. We can see the percentage of the RAM usage and the CPU usage and so on. And in the next tutorial, we'll go through the dashboard of our robot.